Thank you, Susan, and it's my distinct privilege to recognize Jeff Shuren tonight. Dr. Shuren, over the past 15 years, has served as director for the Center of Devices and Radiologic Health at the FDA. And I can say personally, as a medical oncologist, as an academician, as a person who transitioned into industry and has brought devices to the FDA, I haven't always agreed with Jeff and his team on some of their feedback, but I've always appreciated the focus on data, the focus on patient safety, and making sure that patients get safe and effective devices. And during his tenure at CDRH, Dr. Shuren oversaw a range of innovative initiatives that made far-reaching impacts on medical device regulation and innovation. The Foundation is pleased to acknowledge his contributions tonight. Dr. Jeff Shuren has epitomized leadership and commitment to both safety and progress over the course of his celebrated career. For 15 years, Dr. Shuren directed the FDA Center for Devices and Radiological Health. CDRH works to ensure the safety, effectiveness, and quality of medical devices and diagnostic tests, as well as radiation-emitting products like cell phones and microwaves, all while encouraging device innovation. A board-certified neurologist and member of the State of Maryland Bar, Dr. Shuren joined the FDA in 1998. At the agency, he held a range of policy and planning positions, including medical officer in the Office of Policy, associate commissioner for the Policy and Planning, and special counsel to the principal deputy commissioner. He assumed his role as acting director of CDRH in 2009 and was named permanent director in 2010. During Dr. Shuren's tenure with CDRH, the FDA marked many milestone achievements. Implementing initiatives to modernize the regulation of medical devices, Dr. Shuren's leadership at CDRH oversaw a range of programs to make the organization more holistic, patient-centered, and customer-focused in its approach to oversight. For example, advancement of next-generation sequencing or molecular diagnostics key to precision medicine has revolutionized testing. Annual authorizations of innovative medical devices increased 5-fold under Dr. Shuren's leadership. And several new programs, including the Breakthrough Devices Program, Parallel Review, Early Payer Feedback Program, and the Digital Health Center of Excellence were launched during his time leading the center. Dr. Shuren co-founded the Medical Device Innovation Consortium, which works to advance regulatory science in support of developing innovative technologies and improving device safety and cybersecurity. He also led CDRH's efforts to enhance patient engagement and the science of patient input, including the creation of the Patient Engagement Advisory Committee. In July 2024, Dr. Shuren officially stepped down from his position as CDRH Director, became Center Director Emeritus, and has left the center, in his own words, quote, better positioned and stronger than ever before. It is my honor to present this year's Innovations in Regulatory Sciences Leadership Award to Dr. Jeff Shuren.
There's a quote from Harry Truman that's long resonated with me. It's amazing what you can accomplish if you don't care who gets the credit. And I've tried to follow that as guidance through much of my career, particularly the last 15 years as director of CDRH. Often I turn to my teammates to let them write the papers and put their name on it, to give the speeches, to be the public face on policy and action and issue. It was my way to say thank you and to invest in their professional and sometimes personal development. As I've gotten older, you increasingly realize your mistakes are your own, but whatever you do or accomplish, it's in no small part do to other people. Whether it be directly, it's your teammates coming together to develop new ideas. It's a colleague who took a critical action. It's people who indirectly had an impact, maybe informing the way we behave or the way we think, or people we don't even know come up with an idea, a solution, and we merely adopt it or we adapt it. I truly believe you can never reach the mountaintop, let alone look over to the other side, unless you stand on the shoulders of others. It's only by working together, collaboratively, with all walks of people, people who even have different agendas or differing perspectives, that we can be our best and we can achieve our best for public health, for people. For those who know me very well, you know I hate doing this. I enjoy celebrating the accomplishments of my colleagues, but I do not like to be up here myself. When Susan Winkler reached out to me, my initial inclination was, like I've done in the past, is to say thank you, and I decline. I didn't, because I was retiring from the FDA, and it would be my last chance to talk with all of you, because you are people who have directly or indirectly played an important role in so many of the accomplishments of the FDA, including CDRH. And I wanted to be up here to acknowledge that, to celebrate that, to encourage you to keep doing that, keep working together and through organizations like the Reagan-Udall Foundation that bring different people together, and to finally just say thank you. Thank you for everything.